Established in 1962, ni-msme has been playing a vital role in creating a pro-business environment for the micro, small and medium enterprises. It offers training based on the principles of education, self-sustenance and entrepreneurial leadership training. Outstanding contributions 1960, 1970, 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010s, 2020s.
Namaskar, I am Glory Swarupa, Director General. While the country is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we are celebrating the Diamond Jubilee of our institute. The 60 great years of services to nation for the growth and development of MSME sector. We are happy to announce that ni-msme has traveled along in building the capacity of all the officers on entrepreneurship and in imparting the skills and knowledge to the unemployed educated youth and women, and also giving the advisory services on policy, Ministry of MSME and various central and state ministries of Government of India.
The campus is located in the heart of the city of Hyderabad, yet in serene natural settings. The infrastructure and facilities at ni-msme eco-friendly campus are on par with international standards. The Resource Center of Information for Industry and Business under Small Enterprises National Documentation Center (CENDOC) is serving the knowledge seekers and students alike in pursuing their academic goals. Participants are trained on state-of-the-art training facilities in well-equipped modern labs. The hands-on experience obtained from expert faculty in the ultra-modern classrooms. Interactive conferences, workshops and exhibitions of ni-msme makes learning an enriching experience for the trainees. ni-msme's intellectual activities are pursued by theme-focused centers established under 4 schools of excellence. School of Enterprise Development.
I'm K. Surya Prakash Gaud, working as faculty member in School of Enterprise Development in enterprise promotion, development, cluster development, and also quality management to set up National Resource Center for Cluster Development at ni-msme. We have been working with union ministries, state governments, industry associations, and cluster stakeholders for development of MSME clusters across the country. As of now, we are involved in more than 250 clusters and presently supporting 65 clusters across the country.
Myself, J. Koteshwar Rao, Associate Faculty Member, School of Enterprise Development,
Micro Enterprise Development, Evaluation Studies and Technical Feasibility Studies, and apart from that, imparting capacity building training programs by way of conducting the induction training programs to the industry officials, especially for the state government officials and the MSME, DCMSME officials and the Khadi Village Industries Commission, Choir Board, and to promote the micro enterprise development at the grassroots level.
Myself, Sharat Mutiala, I am the Associate Faculty Member at National Institute for MSME. I belong to School of Enterprise Development. Marketing is the biggest problem for any startup or MSME at their early stages. We help them in establish and expand in their digital presence to reach the maximum customers organically. We help innovators and startups to build their proof of concept and avail maximum benefits of government schemes.
School of Enterprise Management.
This organization has been created for training for the entrepreneurs, officials. We have gone from the center of excellence to right now we are moving towards the academic excellences. This organization had MOU with IIMs, and this year first time we will be launching entrepreneurship management course with IIM Nagpur. We envisage basically for going to become a national university for MSME, because right now there is no university on the MSME.
This
is Dr. K. Vishweshwar Reddy from National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. School of Enterprise Management has published a lot of articles and books related to enterprise management. One of the very important training program I have conducted for African Asian Rural Development Organization, ARDO, that was related to disruptive agricultural technologies for promotion of international trade in developing countries.
This is Dr. Vijaya, working as a faculty member at School of Enterprise Management. As the in charge for the GST cell, we are continuously organizing a series of programs on GST practitioner training programs, which will support the prospective entrepreneurs to know about the thing right now is the National SC/ST Hub programs. It is one of the initiative by the Ministry of MSME Government of India, and this is a scheme which is very useful for the SC/ST entrepreneurs to enhance the skill, which is leading to better wage employment opportunities.
I'm Swapna, working as an associate faculty member in School of Enterprise Management. I'm also heading the Center Intellectual Property Facilitation Center for MSMEs, and we have been providing services to the MSMEs for IP registrations, and this center has supported more than 250 SMEs for IP registrations. The patent has been granted. So like this, we have been providing IP advisory services for MSME.
School of Entrepreneurship and Extension.
Myself, Gadam Sudarshan. I am faculty member in School of Entrepreneurship and Extension. Recently, we have initiated a startup incubation center. We support the startup how to commercialize the prototype and how to get the funding from the venture capitalists. And we are also supporting them to incubate, especially with technology upgradations in all the other activities, so that he can start his own startup and develop his own country.
Today, we want to convert job seekers to job givers. Once we give, that's automatically the development of a country is possible.
Myself, Dr. Srikanth Sharma. I work in the area of agri-entrepreneurship development, and we promote various kinds of food processing enterprises, rural enterprise management, livelihood development, and related to this, we have conducted various training programs, research, consultancy, and extension projects. The ultimate objective of our programs is to promote the entrepreneurship among the rural areas and to increase their income, to increase the income of the farmers, as well as enhance the livelihood of the rural people.
I am VB Rajendra Prasad, working as an associate faculty member. We are providing training on how to provide hand-holding services to the prospective entrepreneurs. Prospective entrepreneurs are unable to execute their business plans because they are unable to do some of the activities like project report preparation and getting bank finance. They are facing hurdles.
This is Vivek Kumar, Associate Faculty Member.
My functional role is to promote the self-help groups. This has immense potential. So my area of work always to enhance the capacity of not only the self-help group members, but also those who are promoting it, the role models, the DID officials. In order, they will go and enhance their capabilities.
Register Office.
Myself, Pradeep Kumar Betapudi. I am working as a assistant registrar. In our registrar office, we prepare national calendar and we send it to our stakeholders for mobilization of participants, and we take care of the program coordination from registration to issuance of certificates to the participants.
Impressions by international executives.
My name is Trina Nyambe. I'm coming from Zambia. SME financing, going back home to implement some of the policies and some of the lessons that we've learned here.
My name is Regina from Ghana. ni-msme is a very serene environment and the people are very hospitable. We have experienced a very good environment and they are very kind, and we are happy in our stay here. We wish to come back to India again.
Impressions by national participants.
Myself Sudha, I'm from Adaptatives Private Limited from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. I really enjoy talks from various countries and following their processes regarding formation of the SHGs and empowering women.
Right now I am in National Institute for MSME Hyderabad, and I am here to attend the training program which is being conducted by NFDB Hyderabad for aquaculture projects. I'm very thankful.
Impressions by skilled trainee.
I was really proud of it, and I'm very happy to be a part of ni-msme.
With the help of this course, I got placed in a company, Paydocs, as customer associative.
1949. Research and consultancy projects completed. The hostel complexes and rooms are well furnished, hygienically maintained in a comfortable ambience, providing international standard amenities. To make the trainees feel at home, the hospitality wing provides clean, huge exclusive dining halls are designed to serve dignitaries and the participants alike. Recreational facilities like Utsav and musings are ideal platforms for get-togethers and informal meets, laying the foundation for blossoming interactions. The attractive setting of Kalangan serves as the hosting platform for entertainment and to showcase creative talents of the participants. Honorable Union Ministers inaugurated workshop on women entrepreneurship. Joint Secretary awarded certificates. Her Excellency Governor of Telangana inaugurated international conference.
ni-msme is thankful to Ministry of MSME, Honorable Union Minister, Minister of State, Secretary Sir, Development Commissioner, Special Secretary, all the Joint Secretaries for supporting this institute with projects and very good guidance to complete our objectives and to reach the goals in these 60 years. We are looking forward to Ministry for greater support to concentrate more on innovations and to support the startups also. As we are marching towards Diamond Jubilee, we are concentrating on doubling of women entrepreneurs. That is very important segment in MSME. How to double the number of women entrepreneurs. We are partnering with various state departments and national level institutions to take this mission forward. We are also concentrating on bringing out one entrepreneur from one village so that more number of entrepreneurs are added into the MSME sector and our economy is improved in the global index, and also concentrating in spreading the information of entrepreneurship and skill development across various institutions including universities and higher education institutions, which are most potential platforms for the students to take up entrepreneurship as their career, contribute effectively for the sector to create job providers rather than job seekers. We thank each and everyone involved in this journey, and we look forward to continuous cooperation from all the stakeholders for ni-msme to serve the country better and the MSME sector more effectively. Thank you very much.